Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will talk about Pooja Hegde. She wore striking and ruffled saris paired with a matching sleeveless blouse. Her look was completed with loose, wavy hair and subtle makeups, creating a widely praised ethnic chic aesthetic. Pooja Hegde is pictured wearing an elegance ice blue ensembles. This style outfit featuring a corset style top paired with a matching miniskirt. Overall, the look created a modern, bodycon silhouette that highlight her figure. Pooja Hegde is wearing a stunning deep purple Kanjivaram silk sari that exudes royal elegance and timeless grace. The garment features is the rich texture and lustrous seams, highlighted by delicate gold jari motifs and a broad gold border. She paired this traditional 6 yards with a matching purple blouse and a statement choker neckline, completing a regal South Indian heritage look. This classical ensembles reflects her self-proclaimed affinity for hand-woven silks, which she often chooses for festivals and red carpet events. The outfit is beautifully blend of soft pastel hues, primarily pink and gold. Both the matching saris and the sleeved blouse are adorned with intricate, delicate embroideries. The blouse features stylish, deep V neckline and floral edges. The drape of the fabric showcase the elegance flow and the rich texture of garments, which was designed by Tarun Tailani. Over the dress exuded a look of sophistication, elegance and modern charm. Overall, the dress exuded a look of sophistication, elegance and traditional charm. Pooja attended fashion events wearing light blue denim tube top, also referred to be a blusters, on strapless top. It happens to be made of cotton spandex, blend of similar denim material. Pooja is also wearing a strax and breathless and a ring. This outfit is a traditional Indian sari and matching blouse. It is crafted from a lustrous golden yellow silk-like fabric with a subtle pattern. The elegant drape and the rich material are characteristic of formal wear. This type of attire is commonly worn for significant events, appropriate occasions including wedding, regional festivals, or formal parties. The garment colors suggested a celebratory and festive atmosphere. The outfit in the image is the linear crafted set by the brand Rosa Pret. The being crafted style kurta is adorned with a floral. This being crafted style kurta is adorned with a bold floral motifs. The set features a loose, relaxed fit design for comfort and ease. The top has a V-neck and 3/4 sleeves with contrast border. The complementing airy pants also feature a contemporary contrast border for a balanced look. The design is a part of Coastward collection, which features soft nostalgia floral prints. She carries both traditional Indian attire and modern Western fashion with elegance, which reflect in magazine spread and award show appearance. At public and red carpet events, her fashion sense is often described as sophistication, blending classical fabrics with contemporary silhouettes, a look noted by fashion critics as posh and graceful. Pooja Hegde is a prominent Indian film actress and model, primarily working across Telugu, Hindi and Tamil cinema. She was born on 13 October 1990 in Mumbai, Maharashtra. She began her journey as a beauty pageant contest before stepping into films and over the years has become one of South India cinema most bankable female leads. She has a striking facial symmetrical with well-defined features, expressive eye, slim nose bridge, and well-colored cheekbones, which make her stand out in close-up shots. Her eyes are often highlighted in glamorous photography and cinematography to give an emotive, confident look that resonates well on screen. Pooja's clear skin often accentuated with soft makeups in photoshoot and cinematography enhance her glamorous quotient. Many fans and discussion point out evolving look over time. Through such opinion can vary widely online with elegance. She carries both traditional Indian attire and modern Western fashion with elegance, which reflect in magazine spread and award show appearance. At public and red carpet events, Her fashion sense is often described as sophistication, blending classical fabrics with contemporary lustres, a look noted by fashion critics as polished and graceful. So guys, here is the some detail of Pooja Hegde, and if you like this video then don't forget to subscribe Celeb Clip for more videos like this.